As we age, maintaining muscle strength becomes essential, not just for staying active, but for preserving our independence and overall health. Surprisingly, one of the most powerful foods for building and maintaining muscle is something many of us already have in our kitchen: eggs. This humble, affordable food is packed with nutrients that directly support muscle health, especially for those over 60. Each egg contains around 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, which is exactly what our bodies need to repair and rebuild muscle. And unlike some other protein sources, the protein in eggs is highly absorbable, meaning your body can make full use of it. But eggs also offer something more. They're rich in leucine, a special amino acid that acts like a switch, signaling your muscles to begin the rebuilding process. This is especially important as we get older, since aging muscles respond more slowly to activity and exercise. Eggs also provide key nutrients like vitamin D, which helps maintain both muscle and bone strength, and vitamin B12, which supports nerve health and energy levels. These vitamins work together to help you stay mobile, alert, and physically capable. But aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? That was a common belief in the past, but newer research has shown that for most people, dietary cholesterol in eggs has little effect on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, eggs can be part of a heart-healthy diet when eaten in moderation, especially when prepared without added fats like butter or bacon grease. What makes eggs even more appealing is how easy they are to prepare and digest. For seniors with sensitive digestion or low appetites, eggs can be a gentle yet nourishing option. Whether you like them boiled for breakfast, scrambled for lunch, or folded into a veggie-packed omelet for dinner, eggs fit into nearly every meal. You can also pair them with other healthy ingredients like spinach, avocado, or whole grains to boost your nutrient intake even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, nutrition advice, and simple ways to stay strong and independent after 60. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.